is indicated by a symbol sigma, where sigma is called as screening constant. What do you mean by screening effect? Screening effect means decrease in nuclear force of attraction because of repulsions shown by electrons. Electrons which are present to the left of towards nucleus is called screening effect. Right, statement of fact. The decrease in force of attraction. The decrease in force of attraction shown by nucleus, decrease in force of attraction shown by nucleus on valence electron on the electron which are under study, right? On valence electron. Valence electron is the electron which is under the interest of our study, right? Valence electron or electron which is under interest of study. So decrease in force of attraction shown by nucleus on valence electrons due to repulsions shown by inner core electrons. Inner core electrons in the electrons which are present between nucleus and valence electron, right, is called shielding effect or screening effect. Shielding effect or screening effect. This shielding effect or screening effect is measured by using sigma, which is called screening constant. How to measure screening constant? By using Slater rules, right? So sigma can be calculated by using Slater rules. Slater rules is modified rules, but to our study up to Slater rules. So sigma is calculated by using Slater rules. For our study, manam Slater rules varike, right? How to measure sigma? In case of Ns or Np orbital electrons,
0.3.
if valence electron leda electron which is under interest of study is in Ns Np orbitals, if valence electron is in Ns Np orbitals, then remaining electrons present in the orbitals contribute 0.35 each to sigma. Then remaining electrons present in the same Ns Np orbital contribute 0.35 ఈచ్ టు సిగ్మా. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉందా అందులో? రైట్. నెక్స్ట్, electrons present in n minus shell. Electrons present in n minus 1 shell contribute 0.85 each to sigma. n minus 2 and so on up to first orbit. n minus 2 and so on up to first orbit. Ante other 4 electrons, right? Contribute 1 each to sigma. ఏమన్నా డౌట్ ఉందా ఇక్కడ? Next, instead of this, if valence electrons are present in d or f orbital, in that case, if valence electron means electron which is under our interest of state.
Yes.
If that is in d or f orbital, then remaining electrons present in d or f contribute 0.35 each to sigma. Then electrons present in n minus 1 and so on up to 1, right, contribute 1 each to sigma. In case of 1s electron, right, for 1s electron 0.35 to sigma, sorry, 0.32 sigma. In case of 1s electron 0.32 sigma. అంతేనా? For example, if I want to calculate in case of oxygen, atomic number 8, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. If I want to calculate sigma in case of NSNP, then what I have to do?
5.
How many remaining electrons present here? 5. 5 into 0.35 plus 2 into 0.85. అంతేనా? సో ఎంత వచ్చింది? 1.7 plus 35 is 1.75, 1.7. Next, how to calculate sigma for the electrons present here? What is the sigma here?
0.35.
Sigma for that electrons.
0.35.
Point. So 1 into 0.3. And if that is present in 1s, then we need to take only 0.3. So sigma is just 0.3. Right? Another example. Inkote cheptanu. Magnesium తీసుకున్నారా? Magnesium 12. Configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. If I want to calculate sigma here,
1 into 0.35.
1 into 0.35 plus
8 into
8 into 0.85 plus 2 into 1. If I want to calculate sigma in this case for an electron present here, how to calculate sigma for an electron present here? 7 into 0.35 plus 2 into 0.85. If I want to find sigma in this case,
1 into 0.8.
1 into 0.3. Right? Now, what is the sigma value in case of hydrogen? In case of hydrogen, hydrogen electron configuration 1s1. So sigma 0. ఎందుకంటే వేరే electrons లేవు కదా. So in case of one electron systems, sigma is 0. In case of one electron systems, sigma is 0. Now, shall I rub this part? So, another note. In case of one electron systems, sigma is 0. That means in case of hydrogen, helium plus, lithium 2 plus, and so on. For that cases, sigma value is 0. In such cases, radius of an orbit are equal to n square into a naught by z, where a naught value is 0.529 angstrom. Right? No. If sigma is not equal to 0, if sigma is not equal to 0, then effective nuclear charge, Z star, effective nuclear charge Z star, or they write as Z effective. Z star or Z effective is equal to Z minus sigma. Right? In such cases, sigma not equal to 0 means not one electron system.
More than one
electron systems. In more than one electron systems, what is R? Therefore, R is equal to n square a naught by Z star. Similarly, energy, velocity, frequency, time period, and so on. So simply what we do, instead of Z, we will substitute Z star. That's all. ఇంకా మిగతా ఏమీ చెప్పట్లేదు, కంపారిజన్ అవి ఏం చెప్పట్లేదు. Next, if you take another example, in case of another example, if you take zinc, atomic number 30, configuration, zinc already చూసాం కదా, ఇంకేదో చూద్దాం, ఇంకొక ఎలిమెంట్ వేరే చూద్దాం, జింక్ కాదు, కాల్షియమా? ఓ కాల్షియంలో 3D ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ రావుగా, స్కాండియం D1 వస్తుంది, టైటానియం, వెనేడియం, క్రోమియం చూద్దామా? క్రోమియం 24 electronic configuration, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, 3d5. Right? If you want to calculate in case of 4s1, what do you need to do? 0 into 0.35 plus 18 కాదు 8 plus 5 13 n minus 1 shell 13 into 0.85 plus 10 into 1. ఇంకా calculation you can calculate it. Right? If you want to calculate in case of this 3D, now చెప్పండి 4 into 4 into 11 అరే థర్డ్ ఆర్బిట్ 11 into
Sir, not 11.
12 plus 12 into
Sir, 12 into 0.35.
ఇంటి కేసులో ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను.
Sir, 12 into 0.65 plus 12 into 0.35.
12 into
0.35
మొత్తం ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి?
13.
13. ఒకటి తీసేస్తే సో 12 into 0.35 plus 10 into 10 or
8 into 0.85.
రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఏం చెప్పాను? n minus 1 and so on. మిగతా అన్నిటికీ ఎంత? రైట్. సో ఇది అయిపోతే 10 into 1. Don't take 4s into consideration when you are calculating for 3D because fourth orbit is present to the right side of it. Right? Only 4 electrons are, these are 4 electrons. For 3D, these are 4 electrons. For 4s, all these are 4 electrons. అంతేనా? నేను మరి సార్ నేను రాసిన ఆర్డర్ లేదంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎనర్జీ ఆర్డర్ నాట్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఆర్డర్. రైట్? హైడ్రోజన్ యాంగిగ్విటీ ఉన్నది దాన్ని తెలుసుకోండి. రైట్? ఓపెన్ ఎక్స్క్లూడింగ్ ఫస్ట్ పీరియడ్ అండ్ సెకండ్ పీరియడ్. ఫస్ట్ పీరియడ్ ని సెకండ్ పీరియడ్ పక్కన పడేసి రిమైనింగ్ కేసెస్ లో చూడండి. ఈ రిమైనింగ్ కేసెస్ in a group from top to bottom, Z star remains same, right? If you consider group 1 elements, particularly from excluding lithium, I am taking sodium, potassium, rubidium, and so on. ఇటువైపు sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, and so on. Right? In this case, this is period wise. This is group 1. This is group wise. This is period wise. So, if you want to consider or if you want to check. Sodium atomic number 11, potassium is 19, magnesium is 12, aluminum 13. Right? If you want to check for rubidium also. Rubidium atomic number plus 18. Plus 18.
37.
37 no? Now check this. If you take sodium atomic number 11 configuration 1s2 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Potassium 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. Rubidium 37, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 310, 4p6, 5s1. ఏంటి ఇంతేనా? Now over this electron. If you want to calculate sigma, how to find sigma value? Sigma is equal to
0 into
0 into 0.35 plus
8 into
8 into
0.85
8 into 0.85 plus
2 into 1
2 into 1. How much?
2.2
2 point. పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. యాక్చువల్గా గవర్నమెంటే స్పెషల్గా ప్రాజెక్ట్ నడుపుకోవడం కాదు, పైలట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ కింద ఒక 2 డిస్ట్రిక్ట్స్లో ఇలా క్లాసులు చేపిస్తున్నాను. చేపిస్తూ వాళ్ళు నడుస్తున్నారు. నేను వచ్చి మాట్లాడతాను. అర్థమైంది. దానికి కొన్ని ఉన్నాయి చెప్తాను.
8.8
ఎంత వచ్చింది? 8.8. సో Z star equal to 11 minus 8.8 2. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ సిగ్మా 0 into 0.35 plus
17.8
మళ్ళా 8 into 0.85 plus 10 into 1 అంతేనా? ఇంకా 10 into 1 కలిపితే
16.8
16.8 17.8 16.8 10 6.8 16.8. Now Z star equal 19 minus 16.8. చెప్పకండి, చూడండి ఒకవేళ తప్పు వచ్చిందేమో. రైట్. సిగ్మా చెప్పాలి. 0 into 0.35 plus 8 into 0.85 plus 8 ఏంటిది? 4s 4p మళ్ళీ తిరిగి దీది ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? 18 plus 10 28 into 1 కలిపితే
34.8
వచ్చిందా కరెక్ట్గా? ఏది ఇక్కడ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తున్నా. 2.2 తీసేసి 2.2 తీసేసి ఇది క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ఇది 6.8 కదా? 6.8 plus 28 35. అరే 28 plus 6 34.8 తేడా వచ్చిందండి. మైనస్ 34.8 ఎంత? 2.2 కదా తేడా ఎక్కడ వచ్చింది? 2 point. So satisfied? Next, magnesium. In case of magnesium, configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. ఇప్పుడు చేయాలి.
1 into
sigma is 1 into 0.35 plus 8 into 0.85 plus
into
2
1.
into 1 is equal to
8.8 plus 3.
9.15.
9.15.
So Z star equal to
12 minus 1.5.
12 minus 9.15 is equal to
1.8. 2.75. 85.
2.55 కదా sorry 2.85 అంతేనా next in case of aluminum
Plus 0.5. 3.35 plus.
sigma equal to aluminum configuration ఏంటి
1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2.
in case of aluminum 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p1 అంతేనా if you want to calculate sigma equal to 2 into 0.35 plus 8 into 0.85 plus 2 into 1 మొత్తం కలిపితే
Plus 3.5. 2.85 plus 3.501.
అరే 6.8 6.8 plus 2
7.3.
8.8 8.8 plus 0.7
8.8 plus 0.7.
8.8 plus 0.7 9.5 13 minus 9.5
3.2.
3.2 right 3.5
5 sir.
3.5 సరే 13 minus 9.5 కదా 3.5 రైట్ దీన్ని వేస్ట్ చేసుకొని చెప్తాం in a group from top to bottom Z star remains the same
In size increases.
in a period from left to right Z star increases by
0.35.
sigma increases by 0.35 Z star increases by 3.5 2.85
And minus
0.6 0.7
3.5
and this is 0.15 this is 0.5 0.65 sigma increases by 0.35
6.5.
that means Z star increases by 0.65 right so అదే రాస్తాం మనం in a group from top to bottom what happened Z star
Remains constant.
remains same what about sigma sigma is variable sigma is increasing but Z star remains same in a period from left to right
increases.
left to right sigma increases by 0.35 whereas Z star increases by 0.65 no doubt ఉందా next in a group from top to bottom in a group from top to bottom differentiating electron is entering into
Yes.
next orbit, but Z star is constant. So therefore,
Size increases.
atomic size increases. In a group from top to bottom, atomic size increases. Reason? Atomic size increases. Reason is because differentiating electron
Entering into
enters into next orbit, but Z star remains same. న్యూక్లియస్ అట్రాక్ట్ చేసే ఫోర్స్ లో తేడా రాలేదు, కానీ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ మాత్రం నెక్స్ట్ ఆర్బిట్ కి వెళ్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఆర్బిట్ కి వెళ్తుంది అంటే ఆటోమేటిక్గా సేమ్. ఇన్ ఏ పీరియడ్ ఫ్రమ్ లెఫ్ట్ టు రైట్, in a period from left to right, what happened to differentiating electron? In a period from left to right, sodium, in case of sodium 3s1, magnesium 3s2, aluminum 3s2 3p1, differentiating electron s1 s2 p1 entering into the same third orbit. So in a period from left to right, as differentiating electron enters into same orbit, differentiating electron enters into same orbit, but Z star ఏమవుతాం? సోడియం Z star 2.2, మెగ్నీషియం Z star 2.85, అల్యూమినియం Z star 3.5, 2.2, 2.85, 3.5, increases by 0.65, right? So, but Z star increases by 0.65 for each step. That means what happened? Z star is increasing.
Atomic size
Effective nuclear charge is increasing. That means atomic size
decreases.
So, atomic size decreases. Take one next side, atomic radius. Next side, atomic radius. We will start the discussion today. Let's do the atomic radius.